The overall goal of this eye-tracking-based preferential looking method is to quantify the quality of visual information processing in children based on reflexive, visually guided orienting responses.
This method can have significant value in the field of clinical visual assessment and rehabilitation in children from 6 months of age. Also, the method is based on objective measurements and analysis of eye movement responses. These responses provide quantitative information about visual performance and can be obtained without verbal communication.
The quantitative visual processing parameters, such as reaction times and fixation quality, have additional value for characterizing visual performance, especially in young children and children with intellectual disabilities.
The implications of this method extend from characterizing visual processing and oculomotor functions in healthy children toward the identification of abnormal visual performance in children with visual impairments.
Begin by selecting a set of visual stimuli, such as images or movies, to target the processing of basic oculomotor functions and visual processing functions. Use visual stimuli to evaluate basic oculomotor functions, such as fixations and saccades, smooth pursuit, and optokinetic nystagmus. Next, use a set of visual stimuli that are based on a 4-alternative forced choice preferential looking paradigm, such that 4 different stimulus corners each represent an alternative choice or a target area. Use these visual stimuli to evaluate visual processing functions, such as simultaneous processing, form, contrast,